So in this video, we're going to be taking a look at this Milwaukee ratcheting screwdriver. So this is going to be essentially an 8-in-1 tool. And so essentially we have 6 bits that are installed in the tool, which you can use. You're going to have 1 bit that's installed into the screwdriver, and then the screwdriver itself makes it an 8 total piece. But essentially you have 7 different bits plus a screwdriver. Now I have owned multiple different ratcheting screwdrivers before. And so one thing that I always look for is the play. And what I mean by that is that if you were to put this ratcheting system in the center, how much play does it have when you move it side to side? There are some ratcheting screwdrivers that have a lot of play, and when you really don't want to use the ratcheting system, it really does suck to have so much wiggle room. Now with this Milwaukee screwdriver, something that I noticed is that it doesn't have a lot of play, which does give me a lot of confidence in the strength and rigidity of this tool. But then again, you can't really expect anything less from Milwaukee. Now aside from that, the ratcheting system is super clean, crisp, and it does feel really nice to be using. It's a great tool to have around. Highly recommended.